Hi friends, how to write a CNC program for this component? Let's see. These are the sequence number: Z21 metric unit, G98 feet per minute, Z28 automatic zero return, X0 and Z0, M06 tool change, T0101 tool number 1 offset 1, and spindle on clockwise, spindle speed, coolant on M07, feed rate, and Z00 X52 Z1. Now our tool is here above the workpiece, and Z71 stack rim early in turning, U.5 R1, U.5 reference point and retraction of the tool, G71 stack rim early in turning, and P8 here the starting block, and Q15 the ending block. Here to here we want to remove in X direction 0.1 metal and in Z direction 0.1 metal, feed rate 25, N08 Z01 linear interpolation, X10 Z minus 1, X10 Z minus 1, here our tool come, and Z03 counterclockwise is there, Z03 X20 Z minus 5, here this is 5 distance, X20 Z minus 5, radius is 5, and Z01 X20 Z minus 25 linear interpolation, X20 Z minus 25, 5 plus 20 25, Z02 clockwise direction, X40 this is the distance is 40, X40 Z minus 35, this is the whole, this is the 10, Z minus 35, radius is 10, and Z01 X40, this is X40 Z minus 55, total distance here to here, and Z01 X50 Z minus 70, this is X50 Z minus 70, and Z01 X50 Z minus 110, X50 Z minus 110, and Z00 X55 Z2. Now our tool is here, and M05 motor stop, spindle stop, M09 coolant off, Z28 U0 W0, M06 tool change. We want to drill here because of the